Hey class, Mrs. Lowe here. As promised, I'm going to do a problem from the homework. This is from chapter 3.6, page 207, number 4A. And I'm going to show you how to do this using your calculator, how to do a exponential regression, and also how to find the exponential model without a calculator. So first thing I'm going to do is read the problem, and we're going to set up a table of values. So it says at 9 a.m., Gina finds out that she has been promoted to Vice President of Sales. By 9:30, she has told 2 people in the office. By 10, each person who's heard has told another 2 people. The news about Gina's promotion continues to spread this way. Make a table of values related to the number of people. So I'm going to set up a table of values of X and Y. And we'll say that 0 means 9:30 in the morning, or excuse me, 9 a.m. So if X is 1, that would mean 9:30 a.m. And if X is 2, that means 10 a.m. So we're just going by increments of 30 minutes. We'll go up to about 4. So it says that the first person that knew was Gina, and that means the initial population is 1. Gina goes and tells 2 people. So you can already see that the growth factor is times 2. She's told 2 people, and each one of them tell 2 people, or another 2 people each, so that becomes 4. Keep that going. That would be 8, 16. So you can see that the model is growing exponentially by a factor of 2. Now, if you have trouble writing the equation of the exponential model, we can do it on our calculator, and that's what I'm going to show you here. So first of all, you're going to need to put your data into your calculator. So you hit Stat, Edit. If you have anything in your list, you will clear the lists. Don't delete them because they will be gone. You have to reset your memory. Then you'll just go ahead and input your X values. The more you do, the actually more accurate the function will be. So I'm just going to go up to 5. And then my list 2 is representing the number of people that know that she's being promoted. One little wrong mistake here and your model will be completely wrong. So make sure you check your X and your Y. So now I'm going to turn a plot on. So I go to Y equals and I highlight plot 1 and I hit enter. And I just hit zoom 9, which is stat, and that will show you the scatter plot of the data. You always want to look at the data before you do a regression because it might not be an exponential regression. But you can see that this is growing exponentially, so an exponential model is most appropriate, and we know that the scale is times 2. So now I'm going to actually calculate a exponential model using our calculator. So I'm going to quit out. I hit Stat, arrow over to Calc, and I'm going down to exponential regression, which is EXP-REG, and I hit enter. Now my calculator is not as updated as many that you use, so you might have to hit enter a couple times. And now you can see the A is 1 and the B is 2, so the exponential model that fits this data is y equals 1 times 2 to the x. Hope this helps. In the next video, I'm going to show how to do this without the calculator, and we'll continue to answer the questions. Thanks.